Yo, good morning. All right, it is Friday and it is OPEX Friday. OPEX Friday. So that means options expire today. A lot of them. And it can cause a lot of volatility and a lot of no follow through type action, choppiness. So I want to be very cautious today with sizing and patience. So first thing I'm going to do is start charting. So we got the previous day high. All right, previous day high. Since the pre-market high is so close to the previous day high, I will not be touching it. And then we got the previous day low. So we're definitely trending down. We're bearish overall in the markets. We are definitely bearish overall. Okay, so how much room do we have? We have a little bit of a gap fill down below, 764. We got a little bit of room down. So a potential play today would be pre-market low, break and retest, gap fill down. Kind of what I'm watching for now. Okay, so obviously wait for the 15-minute candle to settle. See how it goes. So that's SPY. Allie, what's up? I'm just getting the game plan going here. See how it goes here. It is OPEX Friday, so I don't love that. Let's see. Charting a bit late today, so I'm just gonna get my stuff going here. So choppy yesterday. Did you make money yesterday? Were you green? I started red and then started going really good. Luckily, I was patient. Man, it was bad yesterday. It was bad. Yeah, so pre-market low broke. Yep, so we got a lot of room actually. We got a lot of room. Small gain, good. Yesterday was hard. Yesterday was hard. Alright, so previous day low lining up with a couple macro zones here I got. So I'm gonna blanket that. Yeah, so we got the previous day low, a big one here on Tuesday when we had that big surge up. That was last Tuesday, and then I have a low here from last Thursday. And it comes all the way back to previous day low today, so pretty good. A lot of room down. 15 is going to close pretty quick. There's also a gap fill here, which is getting close to gap fill right now. You had a lot of meetings? Yeah, I mean, that was a good day to have meetings, honestly. It was, again, like a much later day in the move. So, it would have been better just to not trade, because yesterday was trash. So, it's good. Alright, so Q is about to confirm in 6 minutes here on that 15-minute break. Failed previous day high. We got lots of room to previous day low. Only thing is with SPY, like I don't want SPY bouncing off pre-market low either. That's what I don't want. Whew, mRNA. Wow. Big bounce. Randy's in short overnight. Okay, so gap fill down here. Previous day low, previous day high. Cool. So let's see how it works. I'm just gonna watch them and see how it goes. SPY's lagging a bit, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to put that in the game plan as well. Q is looking pretty good. Sweet. So let's avoid the sweeps today. We got OPEX. OPEX is just sketchy in general. It's just not an ideal time to trade, really. A lot of people don't even trade OPEX. So I do want to be careful. I do want to be mindful of size and the expectancy of things to not flow as easily. So I just want to be more cautious today. A little bit more on the cautious side. IWM was my trade yesterday, man. I had such a nice trade on IWM yesterday. It was perfect. Just a perfect trade. Nice pre-market low. I'm lined it up with a pivot and it flowed. It gave me like 3R. So nice. That IWM was perfect. Okay, so SPY like literally dead smack in the middle while Q is below. So I think as long as this thing doesn't hit pre-market low and bounce, should be good. And we got a lot of gap fill down below. So watching it. SpaceX, another big gap down. Where were you at again, Ali? Were you in Austin or San Antonio or Houston? One of those cities. Houston, right? You like it? Is that where you're from originally? Nice. Yeah, I'd love to go to Houston one day. I only drove through, but looked nice. I want to go to Austin too. Okay, Q is looking weak. It's good. Better job opportunities, good food, and cheaper housing than other states. Yeah. Yeah. It's so expensive here. It's just like, it's sad how expensive it is here. Like, average home is $1 million bucks, and it's not nice. It's pretty damn sad. Like, it's obviously a great place to live, and it's clean and it's beautiful and safe and all that stuff, but I mean, me having a family, we need like minimum $6,000 to $7,000 a month to be like pretty much break even, and we don't even do much. 6 to 7 grand Canadian, and that's like a break even month, which is really sad. Yeah, it's so expensive. It's just ridiculous, man. It's sad, really. Like, ever since COVID, everything just kind of blew up. Like a little bit before COVID, like maybe 2016, 17, it started getting expensive, and then it just blew up. But good for the Americans, I mean, to come over here, because the exchange is so bad for us, and like good for you guys. Our dollar is just shit right now. I think it's about the same as Toronto, probably. My uncle's family lives in Toronto. Yeah, Vancouver vibe's way better than Toronto. Not even a fan of Toronto at all, to be honest. It's just too much, too big. But it's probably around the same price. Victoria is a little bit cheaper than Vancouver, and Vancouver is probably on par with Toronto, I would say. I'd say it's about the same. Victoria is a tiny bit cheaper. Maybe like 15%, 20% cheaper. Okay, so 15 confirmed. Banff? I haven't been to Banff yet. No. It's one place I haven't been yet. I do want to go though. I definitely want to go to Banff. Looks really nice. Okay, so 13 EMA pre-market low area. That's going to be my entry. Let's see if I can get a clean retest here. Yeah, I bet hotels are super expensive for sure. I bet. So it's worth, I think, trying a 13 EMA pre-market low area dip. I'm gonna go small size, allow this thing to breathe, and then see if it can give me that retest. Full size on MNQ is 3 to 5 contracts right now. So I don't know, I'll do like a couple cons, 2 or 3 cons max. Options, if I do options, it'd be like 6 to 10 ish, depending on the setup, depending if it's clean. 6 to 10 contracts right now on my 25k funded account. Yeah, like 3 to 5 max. Trying to build it up slowly. Just sucks because I don't have much room on that thing. They give you a trailing drawdown. The account that I have, it's an intraday trailing drawdown. So yeah, it just sucks, man. Like if I take, even if I'm up, like it'll trail the drawdown. So I don't know. Next time I'll get a better account. Yeah, yeah, 25k exactly. Yup. I don't know. Prop firms are sweet, but at the same time, it's just so limiting. But I don't know. Like options are great, but you have to obviously risk a lot more capital. And evals are great because way less capital, but just the restricting amount of rules, you just have to be so tight with things. Something I needed adjusting to. Like I only started trading prop firms maybe like 3 months ago, and I don't know, the whole psychological thing of how much they cost and then how much is the daily loss limit should be and how much trailing drawdown I have, etc, etc. All those things just took a long time for me to just like kind of adjust to. But now I'm like, feel like it's all adjusted and I know what I have to do. So I don't know, I want to get some payouts because it's just been annoying. Because in my head I'm risking whatever the cost of the account is, $100, but really you should look at it like the daily loss limit per day on how much buffer you have. That's kind of how you have to look at it. But I was looking at it like $100 account, so I can just full port it, blah blah blah, and it's just like, it just hasn't been working out. Options, I'm dialed into options. I know exactly what I need to do, but prop firm stuff took me a bit of adjusting. Randy and the boys might be getting smoked. Overnight mRNAs. Sketchy holding that thing overnight. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to Lucid because I was on, like, I got some Apex. I saw their discounts and stuff, and I decided I wanted Apex, but then like looking into the rules, it wasn't that great. This looks like it's gonna go, but I just didn't get that pullback, so I'm not gonna chase it. I don't want to chase that. It could go, but I'd rather get that pre-market low touch or 13 EMA which is kind of here, but they made you do a video? Weird. That's weird. Yeah, I'm good on Apex, man. After that, like, I'm good. Okay, so flag breaking here, but I'm not going to chase it. It could go, but I don't want to chase it. I would suck if it went. I did want a deeper pullback. Yeah, I know, that's kind of how I'm feeling too. I kind of want to wait it out. I don't want to be faked out, really. Even if this goes, I'm not going to be mad. It's fine. Like, we're getting pretty close to pre-market low on SPY. So, I'm not going to be upset about it, to be honest. Even if this thing goes, which it looks like it's gonna. This flag break looks like it's just going to go. Shit. Entry would have been here. I wouldn't be able to partial any until 1.5. I wouldn't allow myself to partial till 1.5 anyways. So here, and then 2R would be the next scale / the gray box. So it is what it is. I honestly didn't even expect to trade today. I told myself I don't even really care to trade today, but we'll see. Do I trade full time? I mean, full time, my version is every day, but like all day, every day, no. But I trade like hours per day between actually actively trading is going to be my time 6:30 till about 8:30. That's 2 hours. And then I trade Asia maybe like an hour or two a night. So that's like 4 hours a day. I'll like actively trade. And then, you know, charting, studying, whatever, I'll spend another hour or two. So I guess it is like 5-6 hours a day spending on the charts. 5-6 hours a day. Yep. I have a business. So I have a property management company. It's a short-term property management company. So I manage people's short-term rentals. And then I have my own rental properties that give me passive income. So I have a few income sources that pay me basically every month. And I just do this now just for fun / I love it / I want it to provide me an income as well. Eventually, like a real income. There's SPY pre-market low. So I think I'm happy I waited for that. Even though Q's is going, it didn't even hit my first scale spots yet. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, I mean, eventually the goal would be is to like have my business run. Like it doesn't require much of my time anyways. Like I meet clients, like I'm meeting a client in an hour and a half. And then after that, there's no other meetings. So then I'll work on, like I'm building a website, for example, for the trading stuff. So I'm going to build a website today, meet clients, do some Google ads for my website. You know, my days are pretty passive. I have a motorhome that I rent out that I use for personal use, but I rent it out at the same time. So that provides me some income as well. So I meet people there sometimes. Yeah, that's it for the most part. I do feel like I need to be doing a little bit more though. Kind of why I'm trying to like really make trading become a substantial income as well. And I just love it. Trading's just so fun. It's the best, man. I love trading so much. It's probably because I'm on the spectrum, but you know, like it's just the best. It's fun, especially when you nail a trade. It's such a good feeling. What about you? Just mainly the gas stuff? Working for the gas company? Alright, so there's Q's bouncing when SPY bouncing. So I think that was a good wait. that wouldn't even have provided me a scale spot yet. So let's just see how it goes. Pretty laid back, nice. Well, you're probably getting paid pretty good to work for a gas company anyway, so that's great. And you can trade while you work, like that's sweet. That is sweet. I would love a Q13 EMA tap, but SPY is bouncing from pre-market low. I can't do it. Snow. What's Snow doing? Levy is asking about Snow. Let's see. Never even watched this stuff. Yeah, Asia session can be slow, but lately it's been really good sometimes. Sometimes it's been crazy good. Randomly, it's just been like some nutty moves happening in Asia and just like not much happening in NY. So I don't know, just gotta watch. I like watching it sometimes. Not like seriously like this where I'll spend 2 hours watching it straight, but yeah, sometimes it's been good. See what else is happening here. I don't really like watch too much stuff ever, but sometimes I like to see what else is happening. Robinhood 11%. Whoa.
How many times have I flanked you, bro?
You flanked on me a lot.
11%.
It's very. I get it. I'm not Young Thug or fucking.
No. You know, I was prioritizing you, bro.
Come on, bro.
I know.
What the fuck is going on? What happened to you?
I don't know, bro.
Moderna up 8.
I've had this hair for a
These
year.
ones,
Yeah,
I don't really know these ones.
No, it's not. His hair is beautiful. Where's your fucking hair? Exactly. So you can talk about hair.
Yeah, your hair's gonna go away.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you should probably keep it shit.
No, my hair went by default.
Q is right at that pre-market, or sorry, that 13 EMA. As SPY bounces from pre-market low, so no. Wow, hood, what the heck? Whoa. Oh my god. What the hell happened to hood? Q2 revenue 1.3 billion, up 32% year over year. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Hood. It's funny, I don't even watch this stuff really, but I mean, like when the indices are slow, why not, right? Why not have a peak when the indices are slow? And just chart it out for fun. See what happens. Previous day high. Something to look at. I mean, if you play with options, it's not bad. Even shares. Q's at that 13 EMA right now. I don't know, Ali. I don't know if you're gonna take it, but I'm not gonna take it. Just because of SPY.
Like not myself at all.
But it could go. It could go for sure. I think that's a smarter call, honestly. Like, even if this goes, like, it's not something I want to get used to doing at all. But it is trending really nicely. It's trending really nicely. So I'm gonna wait for SPY. There's that bounce on Qs. What's happening with Tesla? Wow, mRNA. That's not good for the boys. Whoa, Tesla too, eh? Wow. Sheesh. See, that's the thing. Like, when the indices are trash like this, there's a lot of opportunities in other things. And I try not to be veered away, because it can be distracting. But I mean, when it's like this, when there's literally like nothing happening, it's kind of like, well, why not? Why not have a look and see if something sets up cleanly? Nutty. Tesla's really clean looking. I mean, like, what is there to do now, right? With Q and SPY, this 13's not gonna hold. SPY's bouncing. Wow. So SPY is not going to present that opportunity, I don't think, for Qs, unless Qs like... Oh, there's a 40-80 EMA there too. I think that'd be worth it for sure. Kind of perfect, but we'll see. Damn, Moderna. Squeezing the boys. There's PDH on Moderna. IWM pre-market low. Okay, that looks like something. IWM pre-market low looks like something for sure. We got 3 minutes left in this 15. Watching that. Okay, so I think for me, IWM is the top watch right now. see if we can get some more failures. We have 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. I think it's possible it's going to do it. Watching IWM here. Q's failing. Q's failing. All right, IWM, sweet. All right, finally, I mean, 45 minutes in, we finally got a play to look at here. IWM, that's good. All right, IWM confirmed. Sweet. There we go. Beautiful. All right. IWM pre-market low retest is what I'm watching here. Good stuff. Q's, man. Q's was clean. Q's was clean. Not great with SPY, but Q's was clean on its own. Okay. Dialing in. All right, IWM, let's go. Give us a retest. Right at that 13 EMA pre-market low. Game time. Give us a retest. Let's go. Damn it, damn it, Qs, man. Qs. SPY, it's too bad. It's all good though. We got the next best thing setting up right here. Now we just need this retest. Do it now. Is this thing gonna give me a bounce or what's happening here? I'm gonna look for this target right here. First target. Qs. Damn it. Anybody catch Qs? Okay, IWM's coming in. I think good timing too. Let's give me that retest. Okay, watching IWM. Watching IWM. Here's that retest coming in right now. See how it goes. Okay, I'm trying a starter here. Trying a starter. And then I'm going to look to add in a second. Let's see. Yeah, 100%. I was very patient today, so I'm cool with this. And this is just a small starter, so if this doesn't work, I'll cut it real quick and reevaluate. It's basically nothing, so all good. Let's see how this retest goes. Here's that retest. Watching this for an add or a cut. I either add or I cut. Let's see how it reacts. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, actually 15 seconds. Let's see how it closes. Watching it here. Here's this retest. Literally a perfect 13 EMA retest. I'm adding
Order
2
filled.
more right now. Alright. Looking to add some more potentially here in a second. Giving it a second, I might add some more. This 13 has to hold, and I'm going to add a little bit more. If this doesn't hold, I cut it. Looks like it's gonna hold, maybe. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, actually. I got 10 seconds left on it. No big deal. So it's still closed under, but if this starts breaking out, I'm gonna get out. Let's see. still holding for now, but does look like it wants to go. But let's see. Greatest thing about being close to your wrist though is you can add a lot of size. So like I'm looking to add more size, but if this doesn't hold, I'm gonna get out. Maybe adding some more here. I like that fail so far. Adding.
Order filled.
Adding some more. I'm in full size now. Beautiful start, man. Let's go. What a read. Let's go. I'm not taking any off until I get this 1.5R. I need my alarm to hit. Good start, man. Good start. See if we can get some momentum. I want to see a nice flush. I want to see a nice flush. Alley target is going to be... Yeah, exactly. That gray box is ultimate target, previous day low. But scales is going to be pretty much the pivot low here. Stop above this candle right here. Okay, new lows. I mean, off that dip, so good. Good start. I love it, man. I love it. Let's go. Let's go. Ali, you in this with me? Did you get in with me? I hope you're in it with me. I mean, we are a team now. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice. Nice. 5 contracts. Sick. I'm in 8 right now. I'm in 8 cons.
Order filled.
Bang. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. All right, man. Now we're just riding runners. We're hitting 2R here. So I want to hit gap fill right here. This is like my goal for my runners. I want gap fill. Man, what a day. What a day, Ali. What a day. I'm pumped. Beautiful, man. Beautiful. Love it. OPEX Friday. We couldn't have done a better trade. We could not have sniped a better trade. I'm telling you right now. Q was not clean. Q was with SPY, not clean at all. So I'm glad I didn't take that. And now I'm going to trail this. I want to see gap fill, to be honest with you. I don't want to be trailing out the rest too fast. I want to see gap fill here. Good job, Ali. Sick trade. Beautiful trade. Man, what a trade. Yeah, gap fill is my next gap fill too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one more off right here. Waiting a second before I de-risk. Yeah, I'm gonna take off one right
Order filled.
Boom. What a trade, man. What a trade on a Friday. Just beautiful stuff, man. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Almost 4R already on a Friday. Can't ask for better than that. Let's go. Man, what a move. What a move. Holy. Let's go. I think we're going to hit that gap fill, to be honest with you. Holy, there it goes. It's melting.